Hi besties, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome to today's video. So love, today is my wash day routine. I'll be showing you guys the product I'll be using for my wash day. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like, share and comment. If you're new to the channel, hi, welcome. My name is Naturally Jessie. Here I create a lot of amazing ingredients to help you to promote your hair growth. So today's first thing I'm going to be doing is to pre-poo and wash my hair. Okay, so the first thing I'm using right now is apple cider vinegar to pre-poo to wash my hair. I won't be using any shampoo for this week. Okay, so I'm only going to be using apple cider vinegar to pre-poo stroke wash my hair. So this is my hair right now. This is after 2 weeks of using fenugreek seed on my hair. Okay, this is my 2 weeks wash day. Yeah, so I hope you enjoyed the video. Please watch the video to the end and to see other ingredients or other things I'll be doing on my hair. Yeah, so guys, I got a comment asking if I deep condition my hair every week. Yes, I deep condition my hair every week because I wash my hair every week and I deep condition it every week because this I have noticed that this is the thing that works for me. Okay, yeah, this is the thing that works for my own hair. Yeah. So after applying this all over my hair, I will massage it and I'll allow this to sit on my hair for like 30 minutes and I will rinse it out. Okay, so watch out for a full video of me explaining the benefits of this apple cider vinegar. These are the routine, my wash day routine. So I'm compiling my wash day routine together in this particular video. So I'm just going to spray and massage, spray and massage, spray and massage. So this is my hair after I have washed it out. I have rinsed it out from my hair. I only rinsed it. I did not use any shampoo on this day. Please note. So my scalp was super clean. Like my scalp have never been like this before. And this is my first time doing this. And I'm really going to be doing this again in my hair. So after that, I want to deep condition my hair. This video of how I made this deep condition will be coming up in the channel. Do want to check it out. Okay, it has a lot of amazing ingredients that you don't want to miss it out. Yeah, guys. So this is what the deep condition looks like. I'm going to apply this on my hair. So remember, I only use apple cider vinegar to wash, or will I say wash or open my hair pores. Okay, so I want to use this to treat it since my everything is all wide open. So I want to use this to treat the hair. Okay, so this is me trying to explain why I put this inside this jar. Okay, so I was supposed to do this without this jar, but using this jar makes application so easy. Like it makes it so easy, but I did not know that this particular deep condition I did, okay, does not need a jar like this. It needs you to use your hand to apply it on your hair. I'll be telling you the gist in the video of this deep condition. It's so hilarious. Yeah, so I hope you enjoyed the video. If you're watching this extent, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like, share and comment. So I'm going to apply this all over my hair and I'll show you guys what my hair looks like after application. So I'm done applying this on my hair. Okay, please note that doing this you have to do it in the bathroom because it's really it stains a lot. Like it literally stains a lot. So you have to do it where you don't have anything white or because it stains a lot. So you can see it has even changed my hair color from black to red. So I allow this to sit on my hair for like an hour. Okay, you can do more if you have time, but I allow this to sit for an hour on my hair. And this is what my hair is looking like. It's so amazing, like guys. So I've rinsed it out and I'm going to be using this treatment on my hair. So this is week 3 treatment. Okay, you need to check out how I make this recipe of this treatment on it will be coming up also in the channel as well. So this is week 3 treatment. I am so loving this. I will be using this. I won't be using this every day. Okay, this is not an everyday treatment, which I'll be explaining in that video. Okay, so I'm just going to apply this all over my hair, and I will do my remaining routine, which is to use my leave-in condition, my butters, my oil. You guys know how we do it, right? My butters, my oil, just to seal everything inside. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you find this video helpful. This was my week after week 2. Okay, entering week 3, my routine. Okay, this is are the things I do on my hair. Anytime I wash my hair, I deep condition it, and I wash my hair every week. Okay, so with my braids on, and when you have braids on your hair, you don't have shedding. And again, I have noticed when I lose my previous 2 months ago, when I lost my braid, okay, after the whole every week washing, my shedding was not much. Like, my shedding was not much. If I have the picture or the video, I just hope I've not deleted it. I'll show you guys my shedding of my hair. So it was not much like that. So I feel that you just have to do what works for your hair. Okay, so I have noticed that washing my hair every week does not affect my hair shed. Like, my hair shedding is not always much. I don't have a lot of sheddings. Yeah, that's what I'm trying to say. So I use my roller to roll it. Then I'll also be using this, my hair grease. You guys know it's already in the channel, to apply on that particular area. Okay, guys. So guys, I am done with my routine. Okay, these are the things I do on my hair anytime I wash my hair. I hope you enjoyed this video. Every week I do a different deep condition. Okay, either I'm doing a hydrating, or a deep, or a protein, or any deep condition I know that I feel like doing that week. I just do, but every week I do a different deep condition with different ingredient. But for this our 2 months journey, our main ingredient is always going to be fenugreek. Okay, that will be our main ingredient in this our 2 month journey. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like, share, and comment. And I will see you all my besties in my next one. Bye for now.